Dear brothers and sisters, greetings from Mary, Mother of the Redeemer Parish. Dear brothers and sisters, if we have the real hope and the real faith, we will pass through all the torments in our life. It is not my word. It is a word from Bible. When you read Hebrew chapter 11, verse 1, we read, "Now, faith is the confidence in what we hope for, and the assurance about what we do not see." Yes, we are seeing all this chaos now. We are seeing all these problems now. But a man, a woman with hope and faith, we will see a better tomorrow. We will see a bright tomorrow. The darkness of this day will not make us fear, will not make us frightened. It will give us, our hope will give us more courage pass through this darkness. There is a great word in the Bible, Job chapter 14, verse 7 to 9. We read it like this: "For there is hope of a tree, if it be cut down, that it will sprout again. New tender branches will come again. Even if the roots are old and the stalk will die in the ground, but the scent of water, it will bud and bring forth like a new plant." Dear brothers and sisters, yes, when the plant is cut out, it makes a lot of pain because it is a life, but it says it has got a hope because new branches will sprout out again. And it says the scent of water will bud, will bring forth new plant. Even if the old roots die, the new plant will be there. Dear brothers and sisters, yes, there will be problem, there will be difficulties, there will be cut down, but if we have faith, we will stand firm. When I was studying thanatology in Mexico, a book came to my hand. That book is called Man's Search for Meaning. It is a book of Viktor E. Frankl. He was in the camp of concentration, and his wife was killed. His relative was killed. So he was scared out, and he said, "Why I want to live in this world where I don't have anybody?" And he was in a room, and he decided to cut off his vein and suicide. And he took the blade to cut his vein. He was a neurosurgeon, so he knew which vein he wants to cut. So he was waiting to see his vein, but no light was there. So he just wanted to open. There was a small window upon that room. He wants to open so that he can see the vein. So he went up and he started to open. When he opened that window, the light came in. And all of a sudden he wants to look out what is happening there. And when he looked towards the outside, he saw a lot of flowers. Because he was seeing the same scene 1 week before. When he was opened that window 1 week before, it was all dry. There was no flower, there was nothing. So he started to think, when I opened this window, light came in. You see, last week here it was so dry, and today we have a lot of flowers. And he said, "This is life. Today I am in fear. Today I am in despair, but there will be flowers also in my life." So he didn't suicide, that made him live again. Dear brothers and sisters, this is the life. Yes, there is some part, there is dryness, there is difficulties. As Job says, cutting the tree, but new branches will come. New branches will shoot out. New life will come. After all these difficulties, after all these health problems, we will have a new day with all its brightness because God is with us. Let's have the hope and faith in our Lord Jesus Christ. God bless each and every one of you.